Hello guys, today we are going to share how to create a Google Ads account without billing system. So it's very easy, so let's start. First of all, we have to go Google Ads google.com. After that we have to go adsgoogle.com website. After that we have to go over the solution button, so we'll select solution, then after that we'll go manager accounts. So next we have to go to manager accounts. It's loading, so we can create very easily in this website without any hassle. So we have to write down accounts display name. We write name. After that billing country Bangladesh, time zone, currency I will give it US dollar, then I'm not robot. Then after that I got my submit option. I will submit. Then here guys, congrats, you are all done. So we can create our Google Ads account very easily. So people struggle to open it, but we can open it very easily in the update version. So let's enjoy our Google Ads account to create any kind of Google Ads. So guys, that's all. So if you like these videos, then subscribe in this channel.